Mr President, this discussion this evening reminds me of the old adage give a man a fish and you feed him for a day. If you teach a man to fish, you feed him for a lifetime. Whilst we discuss access to finance for SMEs, we are in fact only delaying the discussion of the real everyday problems that SMEs in the EU face. For it is not the lack of money from the EU that hampers SMEs, but the ridiculous amounts of red tape and burdensome regulations that come from this Parliament. SMEs are the backbone of our economy. They represent over 99% of businesses and help provide millions of jobs, deliver crucial services to our citizens. To ensure that long-term prosperity and growth of SMEs is not stifled, we must put SMEs at the heart of all future decisions, and we must ensure that harmful, costly and bureaucratic legislation is repealed. If the Commission is serious about assisting SMEs for the future, it must prioritise addressing the foundations of the problem rather than sugar-coating the situation with taxpayers' money.
You didn't frankly have the balls to put country before party.